We're hiking into a mountain lake today. A decent wild spot, I will say. And there's lots of good fish there, supposedly, so let's try our luck, my friends. We will have a good trip now. Got our tents packed. Let's go. Enjoy! Alright. Looky here. Just got my tent up. And I'm reading this in Villman. A wild man, 365 days as hunter, fisher and gatherer. This is basic stuff. And these are really good also. And they have their tents up and yeah. Alright then. Look at this beautiful view outside the camp spot. Sadly, I am not alone. Like there's lots of other campers here. I did not expect that. I was hoping to be here alone and enjoy the silence, but oh, here we have some moose tracks. There are lots of moose here actually. They are crawling here. But yeah, I was hoping to be somewhat alone here, but there's campers on the other side there. Just a few hundred meters away where we pitched our tent. There came some campers. And yeah, well, look here. A little heart. Okay. Well, I'm gonna take some throws down here with my little fishing rod here, which also I put new fishing line on. Hopefully we will get some fish. I have salt and pepper with me and also a kettle and just a bread, some basic food. On shorter trips like this I don't want to bring too much food with me. I want to feel that hunger a bit when I'm fishing, or else what's the point? That's how I look at it anyways. I have a good idea, my friends. How about if we maybe use, let's see what Santa Claus has in his little bag here. How about this one? This is good. This is really good, I think. We have fished with no luck so far. It is soon 12 o'clock in the night. We are in the tent and we are ready to sleep. It's almost 1 AM now. We did not get any fish yet, but there's a day tomorrow as well. So, sleep well, guys. I'll be honest, the foot end of the sleeping bag was kind of on the outside of the tent tonight. And yeah, so that was really cold, so I need to get the fire going somewhere over here maybe. I did see an already used fire spot yesterday, so let's just use that. Let's get the fire going and get some food down. The water is much more quiet today. shit, oh shit. And our tea is done. We have a bread here. And it has been a bit cold this night, so we will just rip a piece of this bread here, like that. Oh, it's warm, okay, let's just put it there for a bit. And I know what I will have lots of sugar in my tea, that's for sure. It is somewhat soft. Yeah, let's just try it. You know, this right here is really convenient. It's basically like cheese on a tube, you know. That tea was actually really good. Well guys, I will finish up my little breakfast here and my tea. And just relax a bit by the fire, and maybe we'll do some fishing soon. I have my hopes up for the worms. I think the worms will catch some good fish. Anyways guys, cheers. Thanks for joining this adventure. Alright. Alright. Well guys, I am warm again and breakfast is down. I've eaten some breakfast. But I will probably sleep a few more hours. Just on the sleeping pad outside the tent, because there's no mosquitoes now either, so that is very good. And then after the rest we will get some fish, I'm sure. We will need to get some fish. Oof. Ay. We had a nice nap. Now we need to get some fish, hopefully trout. Alright, it is time for bobber, hook and worm. I think that is the way to go. But there's so much wind, so it will be impossible to see it on the water, the bobber thingy, but let's go man, let's go, let's just do it. Let's get some trout. This will be juicy fish dinner eventually. Just put the rod here, and you know you can't see the bobber that well because it is really small and the waves There's so much waves on the lake here now. So I will just rather wait 20 minutes, check it, wait 20 minutes and check it. Just go on the timer instead of the eyesight, you know. We're leaving the campsite for a bit to find a better fishing spot. Through the woods here there should be a water, if we are not mistaken. The fishing over here isn't too good because of all the wind, and you know it just doesn't bite there. So let's try. We found this secluded spot straight through the forest here. Really nice. I found this right here on the rocks, believe it or not, right here. Look at this little rare stick right here. That's very cool. I am in the tent again and it's really warm, so no need for the sleeping bag here. And yeah, I will make some food afterwards on the fire. Some hot dogs and burgers. There was an elderly couple with a boat here at the end of this lake there, who was so kind to leave us some firewood. I will not be needing all of this, but we will use some of this, which is quite nice. Thank you, old people. Let's get the fire going and get some food on. No trout today, no fish at all actually, for some weird reason, but let's go. This will be delicious. Mashed potatoes and these little burger patties right here. Nom 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 nom. Oh. Perfect. Can't be making food without salt and pepper, and lots of salt. Lots of salt. And pepper, lots of pepper. Nice. Mix well, mix it well. I should have done this in the water before mixing in the mashed potatoes, but it works. This one, we'll call that done. Perfect. And we go for the next one. Let us give this a little taste. I should have brought a spoon. Or I could use this when this is done. But it was good. It was very peppery, the porridge, but the mashed potatoes. But it was really good. Oh, I can't forget. I have some tea right here, which is absolutely the best to have next to a fire. I will have to use this as a spoon instead, or when I'm done now. So this one can go there, and this one can go there. I'm not sure if it's the smoke or the tablespoon of pepper that is making my eyes go a bit blurry. Anyways, I will finish up my food and relax by the fire a bit, and finish my cup of tea also. So cheers, my friends. I am leaving this spot now, guys. I have everything packed up, but I hope you enjoyed the video. We did not get any fish, sadly, and that is indeed very sad, but we had a nice trip. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, stay safe, happy hiking, and God bless, my friends.